Okay, now we have the scooter tire change. We need to put the stud tires in. These are summer tires and it's very slippery and icy out there, so let's change the tires for winter. This is a Jetnen scooter. That doesn't matter. There's a 12-inch tires. Let's take those off. Okay, we'll take that bolt off. This one there. We have to take the whole exhaust off and this. These two. Okay. There. It touches the frame, the motor frame. We need to take off the air. There we go. I don't have much space here, but let's try to take that tire off from the rim. Should we put some lubricant there? I think this is a lot easier than those electric scooter tires. Now it's loose. Okay, let's try to put this tire on. It's like this and like that. The rotation. That's just the other side. How about the other side? Now we need to get that there. I don't think that helps at all. Like that. Some lubricant. There we go. What's that? Okay, now it started cooking. No leaks here. Then the other side. No leaks, no leaks. Okay, we can put this together, but let's clean the brakes. What is the... Ah, fuck that. We'll need to take that air off. Then there was this. Yes.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over, I put
Now the exhaust pipe. We have a new seal for it.
things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
I'm done. The rear end is. Okay, now we have the front end.
They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they don't let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Summer tire is much easier to take off than putting that winter tire in.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. It's hard to be seen.
First side in. Fuck. Come on. Come on. Shit. That's it. Now we'll just have to hope that we can get air there and it holds. Okay, I checked there's no leaks, and now we can clean this little bit of these brakes and let's put that back on. Come on! Okay, one side. There. Okay, that's it. That's good. That's good. Okay, so that's it. There's the new tires, and you can drive in the snow and ice and stuff like that. When I was young, there was no studded tires. We just drive and drive 80 kilometers with summer tires and stuff like that. It was different that days. Now there's a law that requires this stupid thing. Yeah, but safety is safety. Okay, I'm done. There's a few bloopers at the end where I tried to blow that tire to the rim and stuff like that. Okay, good. What? That is leaking. Okay, I just lost the valve. Where the fuck did it go?
It's my 13 millimeters, 13 millimeters.
No, I don't think this is gonna work. Fuck, we'll need to blow this up. I just hope I don't blow this whole fucking garage up. No. No, this brake cleaner doesn't go in. No. No, there's air. Except my fucking meter doesn't show anything. Holy shit. Oh fuck, my meter is broken. God damn it. Fuck. Oh shit, there's really much air. Okay, I took this from the car and I put almost 3 bars. Okay, that's just a bit too much. Ah, fuck! Is it not even close? Fucking hell. How the fuck is this possible? Huh? Fuck! Ah, fuck. Don't do this. This is not good for your health and skin and stuff like that, but okay, like new and very dry.